Okay, moving on in the 5 locks that we're picking, folks. We've got the Master 130 we picked. 2 Magnums we've picked. They're keyed separately. We picked the Master 140. Now we're going to pick the Master 532. Really nice quality lock. It's locked. Let's go ahead and pick this one, and I'll try and explain a little bit about it to you. Okay. Oh, I got her. Tension wrench is just about to slip out. Okay, so that's that. Got it. And just explain a little bit about it to you. I'll show you that it is a working lock. And see, it works with the key. There's the key for it. It's a very nice quality lock. Very beefy. It's the most expensive out of all 5 of these locks. Really nice finish on it. Looks like it's got a removable core, but you can't remove the core. There's a little pin in the side, but looks like a screw, but you can't get it out, and there's no screw inside here to remove the core. Really nice quality lock. I like that lock. So that's the 5 padlocks. We'll give this one a try in the next video. Okay? And we're using the Clom 9-piece economy set. And these picks, just tell you quickly, they're really nice quality plastic, nice ergonomically designed handles, spring steel, but I've been using these for quite a while with no breakage at all. Alright, so we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna pick the wafer lock. See you in the next video, folks. Okay, moving along in our lock pick session here. We picked all these 5 locks. Locked this one up already, but we did pick it. Picked the 130 Master. We picked the 2 Magnums, which are made by Master Lock. They're keyed separately. We picked both those. We picked the 532. We picked the 140. Now we're going to go for a wafer lock. Now this, you might find it on a gumball machine, some vending machine, cheaper vending machines, gumball machine maybe, condom machine in a washroom, that sort of thing. I don't have the key for it, but it is locked. So let's go ahead. It's a single-sided wafer lock, which is usually a little easier than the double-sided wafers that you'd find on a car. It's hard to hold here. Let's see if we can do it anyways. And that's it, we got it. Let me just show you. Turns. And that's it. It's unlocked. And if I turn it too much, the wafers click in. It won't turn. So let's open this up. I'll just show you quickly what's inside. See, there's the wafers right here. They go down. Sorry, the key goes in this way, well, or actually, sorry, this way. But the wafers are on the bottom where the key will push them down and get them out of the way, so they won't. So this here won't block them anymore, and it'll turn. But when it's in, see, it won't turn. So that's that. wafer lock picked, and all 5 of these padlocks. And that's it. Take care, folks. We'll see you in another video.